ukwenzakaleni because angifisa uvuma ithole le mfethu.
Kuvuma usiyabonga lo Zulu wase Ashdown la eMaritzburg. Ngihlangana nobaba la uyeyeye. Ngiyambeka impela ukuthi no man inspiration ebengiyithola kunina ne motivation nje yokungiphusha every day. There was one day la khona enathi menikhuluma kwisho nobabili you emphasize ukuthi if ever kune proposal that you've been keeping waiting ayihambe leyo proposal because you never know. At that day same time I send the proposal and a response here is the application has been approved. This is the living testimony. So truly appreciate what you do to us and so appreciate.
Wow, mfethu. Cela uphinde igama mfethu.
Usabonga Zulu.
Impete. Mfethu, cela usale usho igama lekampani yakho mfethu.
Ngi-under Next Level organization. Organization nje yasemphakathini ebhekelele kakhulu iyouth nje nabantu abasha.
Ngizofaka i-business card yakho ke. Uyazi mfethu. God is love, sure.